Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ms. English Learning Studio. We are going on a journey, a relaxing sensory journey, away from the textbooks and right to the beach. We want you to really picture the vocabulary. So let's step onto the sand right now.
Just mentally step onto the beach with us.
Imagine you are standing at the shore. Look out at the water right in front of you.
Mm-hmm. What do you see?
Well, the water right at the shore is light blue.
Light blue. A very calm, gentle color.
And it is crystal clear.
Crystal clear.
Meaning you can see right through the water to the sand below.
It is completely transparent. Crystal clear. It's a fantastic phrase.
It really is. But then, as you look further out...
Away from the shore.
Yes, looking further out, the water changes. It becomes deep blue.
Deep blue. It looks much darker and, well, much larger.
Now, here's where it gets really interesting. If you keep looking out across that deep blue water,
As far as your eyes can go.
you see a perfectly straight line.
The horizon.
Yes, the horizon, that long line where the deep blue sea meets the sky.
And above that horizon, there is the bright sun.
The sun is shining down beautifully.
It makes the surface of the ocean sparkle.
Sparkle, like 1,000 tiny diamonds dancing on the water.
What's fascinating here is how using these specific visual words paints a vivid picture.
Words like light blue, deep blue, crystal clear, and sparkle.
Exactly. They make your English much more expressive.
Yeah.
You aren't just saying the water is nice.
You are sharing exactly what you see.
Okay, so let's shift our focus away from the water now. Let's look down at our feet.
Back to the shore itself. We are standing on the sand.
And how does that sand feel?
It feels soft and it looks golden. Soft and golden.
Golden sand. That word implies a lot of warmth from the sun.
It does. It feels so warm and comfortable under your feet. It's very pleasant.
And the sand is fine.
Fine sand. It isn't rocky at all.
No, it is smooth. Very smooth and easy to walk on.
And while you walk on this fine, smooth, golden sand, you can find things.
Fun activities at the beach.
You might see small, beautiful shapes resting on the ground. Seashells.
Finding seashells scattered around is such a classic beach activity.
It is. Or you might gather some of that wet sand and build something.
A sandcastle.
Yes, a sandcastle. Building a sandcastle is just fun for everyone.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, learning these specific words is incredibly helpful.
Words for physical objects like fine sand, seashell, and sandcastle.
Exactly. Learning vocabulary associated with physical objects and activities helps you accurately describe a setting to others.
It helps you tell a story. It makes your English feel real and grounded.
Now, I think we should take a moment.
A quiet moment for mindfulness.
I want you to just close your eyes.
Close your eyes and listen and breathe.
Take a slow breath.
What do you hear? You hear the gentle waves.
Gentle waves rolling onto the sand.
It is such a calming, rhythmic sound. Gentle waves.
And as you breathe in, what do you smell?
You smell the fresh air. It has a salty smell.
Salty air.
Yes, the fresh, salty smell of the ocean. Everyone loves that smell.
It smells clean.
And then you feel something on your face.
A little bit of wind.
A sea breeze.
A cool sea breeze.
It feels so comfortable. A fresh sea breeze on a hot beach is incredibly pleasant.
This raises an important question for anyone learning English.
Oh! What question is that?
How do we make sure we remember these new words?
That is the big challenge, isn't it? Remembering them.
Well, by connecting words like wave, breeze, and salty to real physical sensations, your English becomes much more natural.
It attaches the word to a feeling in your body.
Exactly. And that makes the vocabulary deeply memorable.
So, what does this all mean?
For our language learning journey.
Yes.
Yeah.
We explored the sights and sounds of the beach, but our source material gives us a much broader lesson.
It gives us a very powerful metaphor.
Right. The source explains that learning English is just like the ocean itself.
It is vast and it is deep.
Vast and deep. It is huge, and it stretches out forever.
It can feel very intimidating when you're a beginner.
It really can. You feel like you are just standing on the shore. But here's the reassuring part.
You don't have to swim across the entire ocean today.
No, you don't. If you practice just a little bit every day, you will make steady progress.
Steady progress is the absolute key. A rhythm just like the gentle waves.
And soon, if you keep making that steady progress, you will reach a wonderful goal.
You will feel completely at home with the language.
At home? Comfortable, relaxed, and confident.
Just like you feel when you're resting on that soft, golden sand.
Let's do a quick recap of our sensory deep dive today.
We covered a lot of great vocabulary.
We saw the light blue and crystal clear water at our feet.
And we looked out at the deep blue water meeting the horizon.
We watched the sunlight make the surface sparkle.
Then we felt the soft, golden sand.
We learned it was fine and smooth, perfect for finding seashells or building a sandcastle.
We closed our eyes and heard the gentle waves.
We breathed in the salty smell of the air.
And we felt the cool, comfortable sea breeze on our faces.
And most importantly, we learned that English is vast and deep, but steady progress will make you feel at home.
Before we sign off, I want to leave you with one final thought to mull over.
Oh, yes, something to practice.
Today, we learned how to map the beach with our senses to learn new vocabulary.
It's a wonderful technique.
But what other everyday environments around you right now could you explore with your senses next?
That is a great idea.
Think about a busy city street or a quiet forest, or even your own kitchen.
Notice what you see, hear, smell, and touch in those places.
If you explore those places with your senses, you could uncover a whole new world of expressive English words.
Turn your daily life into a language lesson. Well, thank you all so much for joining us on this deep dive.
Thank you for practicing with us. Keep making that steady progress.
We hope you feel a little more at home with English today. Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and keep exploring your world.